Hindi to papugian, hindi to pagandahan. It's not about looking good. It's having a better life. Yes, it's as simple as that. And then do it again tomorrow. I know it's hard. Kasi pag nagsisimula ka pa lang, hindi mo agad makukuha yung gusto mo eh. Pag nagsisimula ka pa lang mag-create ng content, hindi agad maganda. Pag nagsisimula ka pa lang magbenta, hindi ka makakabenta. Pag nag-a-apply ka pa lang ng trabaho, hindi ka agad makukuha. It's okay. It's not about the results. It's about the repetition. It's about showing up for yourself. It's about keeping your word. Again, yung mga bagay na sinasabi mo paulit-ulit na gagawin mo, just do it. Gawin mo lang. Simulan mo lang. After doing it, tas walang nangyari ang sakit, di ba? It's okay. Show up again. Do it again. Masakit. It's okay. Do better. Work harder.